Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, it's Louis Vuitton Day and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. Yes, so I'm going to provide you all the information that you need to know from product names, SKU, prices, product features, and even launch dates if they are available. So guys, you know our practice here, just kindly ready your phone to take a screenshot, and for orders and availability, kindly check with your CAs. Happy shopping everyone! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lates, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach my 4,000 to 5,000 subbies this year, guys. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. And kindly like and share this video. And follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramirafy2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, let us start first with the new design bag. So guys, this is going to be Aug-Sept 30 Soft Dark, launching September 27. Price is €2,800 or 3,450 USD. It features the soft or slouchy monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims, detachable bag tag, detachable leather strap, chain strap, bag tag, padlock, and key set. Then guys, it would also come in the Speedy 30 Soft Mix. Price of this one is 5,050 USD. We have SKU here. So the material is the soft slouchy monogram canvas, but this time the trims that it would come with is the ostrich leather in color tan. Detachable tag, bag tag, detachable leather crossbody strap, and chain strap would be included in this bag. Another bag, new design, slouchy, size MM. Price of this one is €2,200 or 2,500 USD. Material is the soft slouchy monogram canvas, Vivian leather trims, two-way zipper closure, padlock, key set, launching September 13th worldwide but August 30th in the US. Then guys, this is another hot new design. So we have the Neverfull BB upside down. Price of this one is €2,200 or 2,850 USD. As you can see, it is a reversible Neverfull. So you could wear the outside part, the noir leather, or you could wear the monogram part. And as you could see, the pouch that it comes with, you could already wear it as a crossbody bag. It would come in the Neverfull size MM. Price is €2,500 or 3,250 USD. So this is part of the new permanent collection wherein the materials monogram canvas with tan leather reversible design, detachable pouch that can be worn as a crossbody, and launching of this one is September 20th, 2024 worldwide. It would come in the noir colorway. So we have the Neverfull MM upside down, €2,500 or 3,250 USD. We have SKU here. Part of the permanent collection materials, the monogram canvas, and on the reverse, you could wear the noir leather. So it would come with detachable pouch. As mentioned earlier, you could wear it already as a crossbody strap or crossbody bag. And then we have the Capucines East-West size MM. Price of this one is €7,700. We have SKU here. Material is the noir leather. It would come in gold hardware. It would come with detachable chain strap. And as we are going to notice close up, it would come with the quilted design that resembles Louis Vuitton flower, launching August 30th, 2024. It would come in the white or optic white colorway, Capucines East-West, but this one size is mini. Price is €7,100. So it would still come with the quilted design that resembles Louis Vuitton flowers. It comes with the gold hardware, and it would come with detachable chain strap, launching August 30th, 2024. Then we have a new bag. We have the Vendome size MM. Price of this one is €5,550 USD. We have SKU here. Material is leather. Color is gray. It would come with gold hardware. It would come with detachable leather strap, gold hardware, key clochette, and zipper closure, launching August 30th, 2024. Then we have the Hobo size MM. Price of this one, $3,600 USD. SKUs provided. Material is leather. color is clay. It would come with gold hardware, comes with detachable monogram clutch as you have seen a while ago, and it would come with the adjustable shoulder strap launching August 30th, 2024. Next, we have the Cabas size MM. Price of this one is 3,500 euro or 4,350 USD. Material is leather, color is clay. So as you're going to notice, it does resemble like a Louis Vuitton or Louis Vuitton Neverfull, but the strap is all leather that could be adjusted. It would come with the padlock as we can see here and a fully detachable monogram pouch. It would come in the cognac colorway, Cabas size MM. Price of this one is the same, 3,500 euro or 4,350 USD. So that is what the monogram pouch looks like inside. So this is how you could adjust the shoulder strap. So it would come with gold hardware, but as you're going to see, very minimal, just the Louis Vuitton stamping in front. And then we have the Neverfull MM. So the price of this one is 2,100 euro or 2,710 USD. Launch date of this collection is August 9, 2024 in the US, but worldwide it's September 30th, 2024. So it would feature the upfront leather, but the colorway is cognac. It would come with gold hardware, and it would come with this new design, the carry all size PM. Price of this one is 2,550 euro or 3,100 USD. Material is upfront leather, color is cognac, gold hardware, comes with detachable leather clutch, adjustable shoulder strap. It would come with bag tag as well. Same launch date, so just take note. It would come also on the go size MM. Price of this one is 2,800 euro or 3,450 USD. Kindly take note of the SKU for your reference. It would come with same material, the very beautiful upfront leather, colors cognac, gold hardware. So it would come with two straps, so one longer that you could wear as a shoulder strap and one that you could wear as a top handle. We have a new design bag. We have the Pochette Live. Price of this one is fairly affordable at 1,950 USD. Launch date is August 9, 2024 in the US and September 30th worldwide. So material is upfront leather, colors cognac. As you're going to see, it's like they are reviving the 90s Louis Vuitton logo with the Louis Vuitton plaque in front. Then we have the vitrine wallet. Price of this one is 540 euro or 730 USD. We have SKU here. Same material of this very beautiful upfront leather in the cognac colorway. It would come with gold hardware as we could see here. So this is an SLG, compact SLG. I would love to have this in my collection in the future. Next new design bag, we have the City Steamer, but this one is the soft. First, we have the size GM. Prices this one, guys, please take note, a little bit expensive at 7,500 euro or 9,300 USD. So material is calfskin leather in the noir colorway, but you're going to see that the flaps, it would come with sheepskin as well. Then we have the City Steamer soft size MM. This one is much affordable than the first one. So price of this one is 5,600 euro or 6,950 USD. I am loving the Trianon gray colorway of Louis Vuitton. Then you're going to see it would come with adjustable and detachable leather strap. Then it would come in the mastic cream colorway, City Steamer soft size MM. Same price of 5,600 euro or 6,950 USD. It would also come with a detachable monogram pouch as you have seen. So you could wear this one as a shoulder bag, and it would come with detachable leather crossbody strap. And last but not the least, it would come in the noir calfskin leather. So we have the City Steamer soft MM. Price is 5,600 euro or 6,950 USD. We have SKU here. Gold hardware detachable monogram pouch. It would come with padlock and key set as well. Launching August 9, 2024. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So hope you did. So if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a heart emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramirafy2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!